This came from Justin over at JKR. Been buying a lot of stuff from him lately. I'm really excited about this one. The good news is you get to see it. The bad news is that I can't tell you what it is yet. Wow, that's crazy. But go ahead and make your guesses in the comments below. Okay, so I think back in October, I picked this one up. I did the unboxing, and I told you I couldn't tell you what it was because Justin was in the process of announcing it. So here she is, and she is redhead het clown, spot nose. So redhead spot nose het clown. So again, she's putting on a lot of weight. She's a lot bigger than she was when I got her, but I said I would let you know as soon as I could, and that was actually a couple months ago, but I'm a little slow. So there you go, a good look at the redhead spot nose het clown.